This is Dr. Sivakant Pathak once more with you to see one more important topic. Here we are in Newton's laws of motion. Today we are going to start Newton's laws of motion part 3. Here in the case, in Newton's laws of motion we are knowing there are 3 laws: first law, second law and third law. While studying these 3 laws, some physical quantities are also required to understand, which will help to explain the certain problems here, problems and reasoning questions. We have done first law and second law. After the first law we have seen the momentum and use of momentum we have done in Newton's second law of motion. Here, before we start the Newton third law of motion, we are going to see one more important topic, that is the impulse. Impulse is also a very important topic and it has a very fine mean, good mean in the mechanics. Before understanding the impulse, let us consider few examples. In this example, the first example we are going to take, that is the heating of ball with bat. In a cricket match, we use bat to hit the ball. Baller throw the ball and batsman hit the ball. Second condition we are going to see, second example. See, when we hitting the nail with hammer on rigid wall. Third, firing of gun. We are taking here 3 examples in which batsman apply force on a ball. Here hitter while fixing a nail on the wall apply force on a nail with help of hammer and firing of a gun. In all these 3 examples, we are apply force. In all, this force is in heavy amount, and while we apply a force on a ball, the time is very small time interval. Firing on a gun, we apply a force on a trigger for a small time. Hitting a nail on a wall with hammer, heavy force apply for a short interval of time. And in first examples also, the common thing is heavy force for a small time interval. It means, this implies that when heavy force act for a small time interval, this wherever it is run, this is called impulse. Heavy force acting on a small time interval is called impulse. Here, impulse of force is a measurement of total effort of force, and numerically it is equal to product of force and time interval. So mathematically, pulse is equal to force into time interval. See this mathematical formula through which it is determined. The impulse is equal to heavy force into time interval. See here carefully some mathematical calculation in case of impulse. Newton's second law of motion we have seen in part 2, that is force is equal to rate of change of momentum. See the calculation here is in case we can write F dt is equal to dp. Now see, integrating both sides, this above expression we are going to integrate f dt 0 to t. Suppose we are applying the time for t, the heavy force applied on a body for a time interval t beginning from 0 to t is equal to, see here, momentum from P1 to P2, let's change dp. Now see it is F integral dt is equal to t 0 to t and integral dp is equal to p, the limit is P1 to P2. So it is ft is equal to P2 minus P1, f into t or f into t is equal to delta p. See the mathematical calculation here. Impulse is equal to force into time interval t is equal to change in momentum. See, mathematically impulse and change in momentum are the same. Mathematically both are same, but in quality impulse has a different mean than change in momentum. Change in momentum may be anywhere, but impulse, a change in momentum is said to be impulse only and only if heavy force acting on a body for a small time interval. So all change in momentum is not impulse, but all impulse is change of momentum. See here, change in momentum, rate of change of momentum is a force. See carefully, mathematically, see once more very carefully the explanation. Change in momentum is equal to impulse. But all change of momentums are not impulse, because a change in momentum due to heavy force for a small time interval. Change, see very carefully, change in momentum for are due to heavy force on small interval, small time, is called impulse only. So you can say that all change in momentum are not impulse, but all impulse are change in momentum. See the unit. For unit, impulse, if denoted by I, is equal to force into time. Force is in kilogram meter per second square into time. It is equal to kilogram meter per second. This is unit of momentum also. And dimensional formula of impulse is kilogram is in mass, length is in meter, and time has a dimension -1. So it is dimensional formula. This is, and it is unit in SI system, System International. In a CGS system, it can be in place of kilogram, gram, mass, centimeter, second. Actually, the momentum, unit of momentum and dimension is the this unit and dimension of the impulse. But see very carefully, all change in momentum. See the important result. All change in momentum is not impulse, but all I for impulse is change in momentum. So be important here in case of to understand the impulse. Let us consider FT graph, force time graph here in case. Let F on y axis and T is on x axis. Let F force act for time T. So area of here FT graph, this represents impulse here in the case. So impulse is equal to F into T. If we decrease the force to keep a constant impulse, let we are connecting, let here is F1 force acting for time T1, so F1 T1 is here. If we decrease the force here, in place of there is F2 only, so impulse keeping constant, the time will be increases. Let for T2 time, this is equal to F2 T2. If impulse is constant, if you will increase the force, time will decrease, or vice versa. Increase the force, time will increase. When time will decrease, give a heavy impulse, and effect of the impulse decreases on increasing the time. A smaller force indicate that larger time here implies less impulse. less impulsive effect. Heavy force, I constant. Heavy force, smaller time has high impulsive effect. Mathematically both are same, but the effect is different. There's sometime it is called impulse momentum theorem. Sometime it is called impulse momentum theorem. So it is required to understand the concept of impulse in a very systematic and micro level. These clear fundamentals help to explain various effects here in case of impulse. Let us consider various cases of this under the topic the application of impulse, where the concept of this, the whole definition is here utilized. We are going to take certain examples. Let us see the example number 1, in which a cricket player lowers his hand or push back while catching. See, you very carefully, you have seen that during a cricket match, when a player catch the ball, he pushes his hand back or little, so he keeps his hand back or slightly lower his hand. Why it is? It's directly related with the impulse momentum theorem. If he push back, see carefully, when it's push back, in that condition, whatever momentum came, when ball has a mass, velocity, so it has a momentum. Now impulse is a change in a momentum. If it's pushed back, in that condition, increases time. See when the graph here move. See the graph, when time increases, force increases, while this impulse is a constant. So time increases, time means force decreases. So impulse effect is decreases. So it's apply a less force. He is bearing same change in momentum, but it decreasing the effect of force on the hand by increasing what? Time. Pushing hand or keeping lower his hand by catching, keep lower, or doing this is only increase in time. Force decreases. Force decreases means impulsive effect decreases. Less force. Time increases, force decreases. See, it is in the diagram F1. Now if time increases from T2, then force lowers. But no change in momentum, same change in momentum is applicable. We can discuss on one more another example. Example number 2 here in the case. China clay pots are glass wares wrapped in paper or thermocol. Why? China clay pots, some idols, different type of pots, cup, mug, kettle, different type of pots. When it is delivery from one to another places, wrapped in papers, thermocols. Why? When they collide with this glass items, this one glass, especially cup, kettle, jar, all of glass items also wrapped in paper or thermocol for safe handling and safe transportation from one place to another place. Have you thought of why they are kept under it? This is effect of impulse. How impulse entered in the wrapping of paper and paper by the China clay pots, idols or whatever material are made up of this, or this glasswares wrapped in paper or thermocol. Why it is? When they collides, transfer the change in momentum. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. This change in momentum is a product of force into time. So it increases time, decreases the effect of force. So when paper, so it's when China clay pot strikes on a paper, this piles of paper is there, they transfer their momentum to the paper for a long time because paper compressed. So compressing the paper, time increases, and time increases means time increases means force decreases. Although impulse is constant, change in momentum is a constant. So effect of force, see very carefully, effect of force decreases. A certain examples are there which explained by the concept of lower. You know, in the cinema or drama, when an actor jump from high-rise buildings, in the below he used to keep cotton wools. Why cotton wools? When he jumps on cotton wools or gadda, you know the gadda, no? When jumps on this, transfer is a momentum. Transfer is a momentum, change in a momentum. In that change in a momentum, time increases. So time increases means the effect of force decreases. So the effect of force is less. So a number of examples which explain the effect of impulse. See, in the third lecture, I will explain only the impulse and their consequences and their effect and applications. In fourth part, we will see Newton's third law of motion. You are advised to see all the part very carefully. During the problem, you can rewind and can see. My method of explanation is explaining and writing both are simultaneously, and it is the one of the best method of teaching is available in teaching methodology to understand. I am giving to sufficient time to your brain to understand the concept. So see slowly, rewind, be with us. For regular visit, please subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon that you can update it with updated video. Thank you. It is for today and have a nice day.